Mendaka sni ka arpau tarik ubnai naitung arhajar arpulai Rakhe ka Shillong College ya ka jingdap Diamond Jubilee jongkalan ai Jinghikai Science hapo ka tei ka college. Ha ka jingedon lang umentri rangba ka jella ukon Rakhe sangma nang tau minister ka pule puti urakam e sangma u vice chancellor jongka nehu u PS chukla nang ta ka principal jongka ne ka college ka Dr. E Khar Kongor kinong hikai lembat ki khna pule jongka ne ka college haba ai jingkren dau menteri rangba ka jella umbat minister ka lat pule puti kila kentu ken pham ya ka ne ka college baka dei ban yai pteng ban wat ya kilat kilenti ban penkiu shushu ya ka ne ka shlem pule puti.
I hope that Shillong College will show the way where we will be able to start doing that kind of research and innovation in subjects that are going to be very, very interesting to the world as we go along. It is important that you combine, this is my second point, it is important that you combine your research with the knowledge of knowing what's happening in the days to come. And that is where the new education policy is very, very important. It's not about just creating multidisciplinary programs for our students, but is also allowing the institute to realize that they should invest in information and technology and research which is going to matter in the days to come. And therefore, when two departments start talking to each other, when the economics department speaks to the social department speaks to the technology department and the science department, you may actually understand and realize that the kind of courses or the research that you're doing is not going to be effective in the days to come, but it is subjects like something else which is going to be effective.
In view of challenging science and technology, in view of challenge and measures coming up for each one, I also would like to urge each one of you, we should not think about, we should not discuss only, we should not study only about our textbook. As a knowledge-hungry students, as a knowledge-hungry individual, I think we should go beyond the boundary of our knowledge. We should go beyond the boundary of our textbook. We should go beyond the boundary of curriculum. Because the knowledge center doesn't have any boundary. You have to draw. You weren't able to. The world, the scientist, the philosopher, the expert were not able to draw the boundary of your knowledge for you. You have to work on and you have to achieve. The great Spanish poet Antonio Machado once says, there is no path in life. There is no path in life. You must take the path as you walk. Therefore, there is no boundary for our knowledge. As a student of this beautiful country, as a student of this beautiful state, we should work on and find the knowledge and acquire the knowledge as we go along. The objective of this university is to make an India, a country, as a knowledge center in the world. Friends, we may think only in Delhi people, the master people, the honest people can do it. No. Shillong and the Shillong College and the Meghalayan's, we should one of the torch bearer in all this objective. As we're moving forward to make country as a knowledge center, we should also contribute what the knowledge that we have today. The development of science and technology is will be the challenge of yesterday, and it's the challenge today, and there will be the challenge for tomorrow. The discovery of gravitational force. The apple fall down from the apple tree. You see, look at the history. Just a simple discovery, but it's had lots of impact and the things to research, things to study today.